commentary over the video because the microphone was not connected. Today we are on a drive with a R34 GTT and a R33 GTR. Right, bro? Yeah, man. Frisky. So I'm actually back at Dub Club another day, and it's a pretty cool vibe again. Pulled up this time with my brother's R33 and my friend's R34, and obviously my R32. We had a good drive over here. But again, the vibes here is what it's all about. There's some seriously nice cars here, and let's just go through it a little bit. So obviously, I spoke about just then, my brother's R33 GTR, Bilal's R34 GTT, got a nice Mark III Supra, a Golf GTD, which is super cool. Don't really see them around. Everyone's kind of leaving now, so it's a good time to get some exhaust clips and everything. Here's my baby. Ooh, gotta watch out for the dog. Really nice and clean E36. No, I said E46. This is a really cool four-door Ford Orion. Don't really get to see any of these. In fact, some of these cars here, you literally just don't get to see anymore. There's some cars that we've seen before in the past. This BMW 2002, I've been going crazy over because, sorry guys, I'm gonna squeeze past you guys. Just look at the engine setup on this massive turbo. I'm trying to figure out which engine it is, but it just looks like it's been such a well-built car. So we'll come inside. Got a lot of mini R32 GTRs, got a lot of Skyline models there. I'm just going to show you guys a quick little vibe here. S15, can't go wrong. This Tiguan, my gosh, crazy little setup. It's running 720 brake, 640 at the wheels, which, you know, that is a proper sleeper. Yes, it looks like it's slightly lowered, but with stock wheels or slightly stockish looking wheels, the brakes are huge, which is good. It means it's properly been set up. Can't go wrong with a good old E46 M3. And the brakes on this are, again, a nice little bit of work of art. This room over here, got a Lexus or Toyota Laurel, 2 M140i's, Renault Megane. This one's been doing some crazy miles on it as well. C43, F80, but this is another very expensive build. Well, build. P1. Just extremely rare these days. This room kind of feels like a lot of the modern cars are here, which is kind of cool. Again, the vibes here is what it's all about. I think that's what makes it a really cool, chilled out space to hang out in. And obviously when you get the GTRs together, it always feels good. And yeah, right. I don't know, I kind of feel like I wanted to make this a shortish video. And it's when you come out and you see how it feels and looks like this, especially in the summertime, it's a completely different vibe. Just look at it. Oh, baby, looks so clean. Engine bay on this car is stupid. See, my car's paintwork still doesn't look great, but I just have no time to work on it. I'd rather enjoy stuff. It smells nice as well. Is your battery not going to go flat leaving the lights on? So
I hope not. You got your charger on you for this?
No, I don't. I literally took out the jump leads from my car the other day, so literally feels like, you know, that clip with the 3 fighter jets. Oh, this car's flaming hard. Telling him as well to thingy.